Hi, I'm Rick Gordon-Brown, a partner and patent attorney at EIP. EIP is an award-winning IP law firm specialising in patents. We have offices in the US and Europe and a global client base ranging from SMEs to blue-chip multinationals. This short video outlines what small businesses need to know about IP and patents in particular, and how we at EIP can help. Intellectual property, or IP, refers to creations of the mind, such as inventions, industrial designs, artistic works, or logos used in commerce. Every business generates IP, and it's often a key asset. IP rights give owners of IP control over how their IP is used. At EIP, we specialise in patents or patents, which are monopoly rights that protect inventions. An invention is a solution to a technological problem in any area of industry. It could relate to a product, such as a physical item or a software product, or to a process, such as a new method of manufacture or a way of processing data. So, what can patents do for businesses? First, they can protect market share. Investment in R&D should lead to improved products, but once you launch those products onto the open market, there's a risk that competitors will adopt your innovation and try and free ride on your success without incurring the same level of investment. Patents can mitigate that risk, and our team of attorneys and litigators can help you to obtain them and to enforce them. Patents can help attract investment. Generally speaking, banks and investors will see it as a safer bet, backing a company that has reduced risks and tried to protect its market share. Patents can also be a negotiation tool. If your product is drawing customers away from competitors, they might look to use their IP rights to try and block your way. Having patents that cover your product, and particularly the features that have caused customers to switch, gives you a negotiating position that otherwise you wouldn't have had. It might even be possible to agree with a competitor to use their technology through cross-licensing. Patents can also be used to generate income, and there's a range of ways in which this can be done. One is to give other companies licenses to use your patented technology in return for payment of license fees, which can be very lucrative. Alternatively, as patents are property, they can be sold. Patents can also be used to cut your tax bill. In certain circumstances, companies can benefit from a reduced 10% corporate tax rate in the UK through use of the Patent Box scheme. So, what are the key considerations for small businesses, and how can EIP help? First and foremost, get advice early. All companies should engage with IP protection and seek advice at the earliest opportunity. Patent protection might not be the first thing you think about when starting a company, but this can be a critical time to protect the innovations that set you apart from your competitors. Choose your advisor carefully. It's important to speak to a patent attorney who really understands your technology and has good commercial acumen. All of our attorneys at EIP have strong backgrounds in science and engineering, ranging from mechanical engineering, physics and IT, through to chemistry, materials and life sciences. Many have also worked in industry, so have first-hand experience of commercial realities. You should also develop a patent strategy. This should set out how the company will aim to benefit from seeking patent protection for its own technical innovations, and how the company will look to manage risks posed by IP rights owned by third parties. Put in place a suitable IP budget. Patents can be expensive to obtain. Budget too little, and you could end up with inadequate or no protection at all. We can provide cost estimates based on our experience to help you draw up a budget. Keep it confidential. Generally speaking, you can't get valid patent protection if the invention was made public before the patent application was filed. If you need to discuss your invention before filing a patent application, make sure you have robust confidentiality arrangements in place. Keep an eye on competitors. As patent applications are published, there's a wealth of information out there. We've developed our own software that can be used to identify and analyse your competitors' patent portfolios. If a competitor is investing in R&D and filing patent applications, you can see the technology they're working on and get a heads up of products they might be about to launch. More importantly, if someone has a patent application or granted patent that covers a certain innovation, it could create difficulties for you if you want to use that innovation in your products. If such a risk is identified, our highly experienced team of attorneys and specialist litigators can advise on the options available. I hope you found this video useful and thought-provoking. For more information, please visit our website, eip.com, where you can download a free guide to patents for SMEs.